protection from wear and tear. It's a ceramic coated Ceratec from Liquid Moly. This is 300 ml. Asal kalau dia gini?
Memang gitu lah.
It's not white in color?
Bukan, dia memang color brown. Ada color white.
Okay. Kucang. Just put on top. Yeah. Drain it out. So there it is. Ceratec. 150 ringgit now. On 10% seal.